everyone, I'm Beatriz Akiti, I'm from São Paulo, Brazil, and for this summer's YSP I have worked with the Dasarma group on a very interesting project involving the study of haloarchaeas. Haloarchaea is a group of organisms that belong to an even bigger group called archaeas. Some can confuse them with bacteria since they're prokaryotes, unicellular, and usually microscopic, but they actually have very distinct characteristics. They are really interesting and they hold a huge importance for astrobiology, since to study life outside of Earth, we need to look for organisms that are capable of surviving the extreme environments that we can find in other planets, organisms that we know as extremophiles. Many archaeas are extremophiles. We can find them in multiple places with really harsh conditions that we humans cannot live on, such as volcanic vents or even really cold environments, which makes them great models for astrobiology since they could help us understand the limits of life and how we can find life outside of our planets. And in the archaea group, we can find the haloarchaeas, and the name already gives us a clue. Halo is a Greek word for salt, and they can also be defined as halophile organisms. Halo, of course, meaning salt, and phile meaning something like loving or friend. So haloarchaea is a class that compiles salt-loving archaeas, organisms that thrive in places with really high salt concentration. But one extremophile doesn't have to be limited to only one extreme condition. Many haloarchaea are capable of growing with no oxygen, really high temperatures, acidic pH, or high ultraviolet radiation that comes from the sun, for example. But of course, so they can survive all of this, they have mechanisms that can counter these situations, such as pathways of proteins that are capable of repairing DNA damage caused by the extreme conditions, avoiding the accumulation of mutations that could lead to their death. So haloarchaea are very versatile extremophiles, which makes them incredible models to study. So my work this summer was to investigate their proteome, the set of proteins present in a haloarchaea, by using bioinformatic tools to analyze the information that we can find in it. We can, for example, find out what types of proteins are present in them. And since proteins are main agents responsible for a lot of functions, we can associate them with unique properties of the group or even mechanisms that they can use for survival. I would like to give a very special thanks for my mentors Priya Dasarma and Dr. Dasarma for all the support during this summer and for helping me dive into this haloarchaea world. And here you can see some of my references that I've used for this video, and thank you so much for watching.